NRC Health recognizes the rising trend in consumers trusting star ratings and reviews and understand the impact they can have on your organization. Looking at the rise over the past 4 years from over 1 million respondents to see the growth having an impact of an organization's website as well as star ratings and reviews having almost the exact same influence to a consumer as a tour of that community. Fully understanding that what exists online has a direct impact to what customers are going to feel about your organization when shopping from others, as well as if they select you, their level of satisfaction before they move in. And so to be able to help organizations better leverage themselves, NRC Health is taking their customer satisfaction data and is being able to leverage this information online as star ratings and reviews. Having this information be able to be visible in search results, as well as being able to be attached directly to an organization's web properties. Having this information laid out visible to a customer like an Amazon product review, so a customer can be able to view the level of quality that an organization is administering. We are able to scan every single comment that comes from a survey for any PHI, profanity, or any legal needs, as well as being able to have a human team read every comment to make sure that it's relevant to exist online as a rating and review. From this, your marketing team would be able to actually control which reviews are actually published online and which can remain hidden from the public, keeping in mind that NRC Health encourages as close to 100% transparency as possible, but allowing your team to be able to take any flagged review to be able to keep that hidden from from a consumer online, or to be able to have this actually be able to be published, as well as understand that some communities may not be performing at a higher level and can be able to have some communities exist live while others remain hidden from public viewing. If you have any questions on this, reach out to NRC Health's Senior Living Team. Thank you very much. Bye.